Japan is preparing to allocate over 1 trillion yen, roughly $6.3 billion, in its next fiscal budget to expand drone capabilities within the self-defense forces. Government sources revealed on August 12, 2025, that the funding is intended to enhance both reconnaissance and strike operations across the ground, maritime, and air self-defense forces. Among the options being evaluated are cost-efficient drones from Turkey, which have proven their effectiveness in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. The country also intends to continue purchasing long-endurance surveillance drones, including the US-made MQ-9B SeaGuardian, currently deployed for maritime and coastal observation missions. While Japan aims to nurture its domestic drone industry in the long term, the immediate focus is on rapid deployment of existing platforms to meet pressing operational requirements. A senior defense official emphasized that the strategy prioritizes numerical strength over technological sophistication. In April 2025, the Ministry of Defense established a specialized team tasked with exploring how drones can be integrated into future military operations. This initiative aligns with the Force Development Plan adopted in 2022, which underscores unmanned systems as a crucial tool for reducing personnel casualties. Heightened global attention to drone capabilities in the wake of the Ukraine conflict has further accelerated this focus. Japan is considering multiple types of drones. Light, kamikaze, or loitering munitions, such as the Turkish KARGU, alongside Israeli, Australian, and Spanish models, could be acquired in significant numbers to directly target enemy forces. These systems are attractive for being cost-effective and quickly deployable. Meanwhile, large surveillance drones like the MQ-9B SeaGuardian will continue to support maritime and coastal operations. Looking ahead, domestic projects led by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, in collaboration with the Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency, aim to develop AI-enabled combat support drones, with testing set to begin in 2025. The 2025 fiscal budget already reflects this shift. Authorities have earmarked 41.5 billion yen, about $261 million, for MQ-9B SeaGuardians, primarily for maritime monitoring, and 3.2 billion yen, approximately $20 million, for smaller attack drones to defend Japan's strategically vital southwestern islands. Investing heavily in imported drones strikes a balance between meeting urgent operational needs and fostering domestic production. While homegrown solutions promise strategic independence over time, immediate capability gaps necessitate reliance on proven foreign systems from Turkey and the United States. This procurement strategy forms part of a broader modernization of the self-defense forces, addressing regional tensions in the East China Sea and the need to surveil extensive maritime and aerial zones. By combining long-range reconnaissance drones with tactical strike systems, Japan aims to expand coverage while minimizing risks to personnel. The planned investment of over 1 trillion yen from 2026 signals a doctrinal shift toward a more responsive, flexible, and resilient unmanned aerial force. By integrating established foreign platforms like the KARGU and MQ-9B alongside domestic innovation, Tokyo is positioning its drone capabilities to meet the evolving security challenges of the next decades.